The technology grows so fast that we either use a smartphone or a computer every now and then. But however, it's the internet that is used more. We will make many searches every day. For each search, we are redirected to a new website. We are able to read the website as it is written in a human understandable language. But computers and the internet runs based on the IP addresses. The IP addresses will always be unique, which means that each computer or each website will have its own unique number. We humans can remember names easily while compared to the numbers. So to bring a easy method of communication between the humans and the computers or the web search, we have the DNS. So in this video, we will see what a DNS is and its working. DNS stands for Domain Name System. The main work of the DNS is to get the name we search and convert it into the IP address format and then give it to the provider for the results. Further, again convert the IP address into the human understandable name. In simple, we can say that DNS resolves names to numbers. Now let's consider an example. If we want to go to a website named as helloworld.com, then it is easy to remember that name instead of the IP address, which will be something like 192.136.1.4. However, for a single website it is easy to remember, but as the websites we search increases, it becomes hard. But always remember that we can also go to the website by entering the IP address. The DNS is like a contacts in our phone. That is, to call someone, we search them using their name and not the number until and unless we know the number completely. Said that, now let's get into its working. When we search a website, initially the OS of our system searches for the IP address in its cache memory. Now if it doesn't find it, it will send the query to the next stage. This is called as the resolver. The resolver is nothing but the Internet Service Provider ISP. Now the resolver searches in its cache memory for the IP address. If it cannot find it, it will send the query to the next level, which is called as the root server. The root server is the top or the root of the DNS. Around the world we have 13 sets of root servers. These are operated by 12 different organizations. However, each set has its own unique IP address. The root server will direct the path for the resolver as the root server doesn't have the IP address. Now once the root server gets the issue, it redirects to the top level domain TLD by providing its IP address. Now the resolver will check with the TLD for the IP address. The TLD will have information of the top level domains such as the websites that end with .com, .org, .net and so on. Now this TLD will only see whether the website that the user needs has any one of the above. If so, it will be redirected to the final level, which is known as the Authoritative Name Server (ANS). Now the resolver will ask the ANS for the IP address. The ANS will always have all the details of all the domains. So it will provide the IP address of the domain we need, which then provides us with our search results. All of this will be done within seconds. Now the resolver will store the IP address in its cache so that it can give faster results in the next search with the same name. This is how our DNS helps us in our daily life. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get instant notification whenever I release a new video. Do share it with your friends and comment on what we need to do in our upcoming videos. You can also support us at patreon.com. Always remember to think big.